Sara, aka Sachissss. For today's video, we are heading to Hollywood Horror Nights in Universal Studios. And I'm kind of scared. I'm scared. I might shit myself, but it's okay. I do not know what to expect. I will not be going alone. I'll be going with my friends. Everything goes well, and that we get scared and have a good time. So we just hope everything for the best. This will be my first time going to Hollywood Horror Nights. I have been to Universal Studios, but during Horror Nights, I've never been. I've been kind of like on the fence about it at the beginning, but now I'm like, I don't think it's gonna be that scary, but you never know what to expect. For right now, I'm just waiting for everyone to get here, and then we'll meet up, and then we'll head up to Los Angeles. And first, we're probably gonna eat somewhere, and then head out to the park. So I'll see you guys when we get there. So give it a like, subscribe, and let's get on to this video.
You're gonna video, oh no.
I did. That's my birthday one. I have another one, but yeah, I'm watching. It's not recording you guys, but I'm recording you guys cooking the yeah, that camarón burn as fuck. How much is?
Everybody got the same plate?
Let me see. $500, bro. No. First of all, I don't know if this is open here in Burbank. I'm kind of wowed that this is Burbank. It's not looking good. I did not expect it to be like this. Oh! I dropped my phone. Bro. Damn, it's been a fat minute. I haven't been here since 2013, maybe? 2013, I don't know. It has changed since the last time I came here. Then half of the stuff here has never not been here. Then again, I was really young, so it has changed, not bad. Bro.
Together. Yo, what up? We're doing here with the Sophie Squad 2023. What's the camera? This is right here for me. Look at this long.
Bro, this is cool. Oh shit!
Nah, you're some bitches.
Oh fuck!
What the fuck? I'm not one of these bitches out.
Oh, she's staring at me! Looks dark as fuck! It looks dark as fuck when it's that.
Yo, we're at fucking Horror Nights right now. The fuck, dog?
We are taking you to a remote section of the back lot at night where some of the most infamous killers in horror movie history used to roam. Or could possibly go wrong.
Do the fucking jump with it.
Damn. Yeah? It's been a while since I've been on this ride. Damn.
I don't think these guys were affected.
Joel! Joel! You okay?
I'll make my way up to you.
What? Hell no, I'm gonna stay in the middle. Fuck no.
There are many dark forces in this world.
Police need help finding two missing children. 13-year-old Angela last seen 2 weeks ago.
The hours?
Oh my god.
Angela, just tell your father the safety of home.
Wherever those girls went, they brought something back with them.
I can feel you for your last little piglet.
Oh my god, he fucking scared me.
Come, I think you may have had an accident or something.
Sorry, but she Oh my god! Oh my god!
That would be Autobot evac. You need to scramble evac immediately, General. Evac the Autobot.
And he also lives clear evac door. Please have a seat and prepare for the safety.
Oh, we got stuck.
Exist between the two worlds. Eventually, we'll reach a breaking point. And when that happens, the humans will fall. I'm not gonna lie to you. What is your time? Cannot hide from me. You cannot hide from me. Try and stay very still. It will all be over soon. Already lost. You and your friends believe you. For their safety, children are not permitted to ride.
I mean, how'd you
See those people down there?
take this point out?
After the exercise that we were done. Harry Potter. Who? Is that Voldemort? Dude, look, this one was a 5-second ride.
Let's go. That's the one, right?
Finito, we're about to dip. What the hell? Taking gas at a random ass gas station in the middle of, I don't know where we're at. Low-key sketch. And it's like almost about to be 4 in the morning. Jesus. I'm gonna just wait for the rest of the girls to go to the bathroom, basically. And then we're just heading home. Right now I just got McDonald's. Yeah. So I'm just waiting and then I'm ready to head home. Yeah, that's basically it. First of all I mean, Horror Nights was okay. I did get scared, but there wasn't enough rides. I'm mostly like a ride type. And the mazes were okay, but like I'm like a scaredy cat when it comes to it, so I don't know.